In this video guide, we will provide you with detailed instructions that will help you to remove the ransomware that is called Eeyee. Once again, I'll try to pronounce it correctly, Eeyee. So this is the ransomware type infection that currently affects the majority of popular file types. The ransomware adds a special extension to the files that have been encrypted by it. So before the ransomware actually affects the files, there are no problems opening the files, but it might happen that because of certain vulnerabilities in the safety of the specific computer, in the security system of the specific computer, this Eeyee ransomware may be injected. Then pretty soon people can realize that something bad has happened with their files and that they cannot use their files anymore. So the ransomware adds a special extension to the data after the files get encrypted. It then tells its victims to pay the ransom for file recovery. So this is what you can now see after the ransomware damages the files. There is some random data added after the main file extension, and finally this Eeyee extension, which is unique for all the files that have been damaged by this ransomware. This is the scary message that the ransomware gives. It tells the victims to pay the special ransom for file recovery, but paying the ransom does not mean that the files would be restored. In fact, we strongly urge you not to pay the ransom. To remove this ransomware, we recommend you to use Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware for this purpose. You may get its fresh version on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. Download it using this green download button. Install the application and then start investigating your computer. First of all, the program will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button and begin the research of your device. But first of all, the program will update its anti-malware database for proper malware detection. And so, after the anti-malware database is successfully updated, the program begins researching your system. You'll see the summary of all threats that were found during the scanning. The good thing about Combo Cleaner anti-ransomware feature is that it lets you add several folders on your computer that will give you protection. In other words, the premium version of Combo Cleaner has got this anti-ransomware tool that allows you to keep certain folders protected against all other possible ransomware attacks. But once again, remember that this feature is only the part of the premium license. So, at the end of the scan, the program will give you the summary of threats. You'll see their locations on the system. You'll be able to go to these locations and remove these threats manually, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically and to have your system protected from all sorts of other malware or ransomware attacks.